What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel inspired by R&R. If you're new here, my name's Richard. This is my wife, Ronya.
What up?
Also, if you're new, please be sure to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button right now. It helps us out so much. Really appreciate it. Now, babe, tell them what we're going to be doing today.
Well, today, guys, me and my husband right here, we're going to go ahead and do another review for you. Today, we are going to review the new line from Texture ID. I wanted to show you guys that we actually do use Texture ID already. As you can see, these products have already been almost completely diminished, right?
She's been educating me on all of the natural hair products and everything since I've grown my hair out, and it's actually pretty interesting.
Yeah. So I was just on, Sally's website trying to see, okay, I know I need to replenish our Texture ID, and I found this. So we noticed, hey, they got a new line and you can get 4 of them for $20.
Wow.
So of course, we went to Sally's.
Yeah, spending all the money. I'm just playing.
I'll put a clip of when we were at Sally Beauty right now for you. 4 for 20, select here.
This is the texture shot. This is how my hair looked before we started putting any products on it. It's been a while since I washed it, so let's see how this product works.
This is my texture shot. As you can see, my hair was definitely dry, a little matted and tangled, but I wanted to show you that I am definitely a type 4 as well.
Alright guys, so this is the detangling shampoo. It lathered up very nicely. Felt really good in my hair, felt like it cleaned my hair really good, and it washed out easily as well.
Yeah, I agree with babe. The shampoo was really moisturizing and super easy to work through your hair, and it rinsed out very well, and it has a really great scent.
Okay, so now we're moving to the detangling conditioner. The conditioner was very creamy, buttery, and really easy to detangle using my fingers.
I agree. The conditioner was very moisturizing, and oh my gosh, look at my reaction. You can tell that I was thoroughly surprised by how moisturizing this conditioner was. The shower head. Okay.
Alright guys, so we just got done using the shampoo and conditioner. Felt really good. I mean, I'm not like a shampoo expert, so I'll let babe expound on it a little bit, but it felt good. The conditioner was real slippery, like what y'all call it.
Yeah, the shampoo was really slippery. It had really great slip for a shampoo. Like, that's really surprising. And the conditioner, oh my gosh, I'm not even a fan of conditioners because I normally do the deep conditioning myself. Like, I skip the whole conditioning process and do a deep conditioner instead, but that regular conditioner was bomb. Like, it had really great slip. I felt like my hair was moisturized. So now we are about to do this self-heating coil conditioning mask.
Okay, all right.
And it says on here to leave it on for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. We normally do our deep conditioners for how long, babe?
Hour, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, an hour. Pass the test.
But we're gonna follow the instructions and only leave it in our hair for 15 to 20 minutes.
All right.
Ooh, this smells good.
Let me see. Yo, this smells so good. I can't lie.
It's like pineapple-y kind of, right?
It's not over the top though. It's like, it has a nice scent to it, but it's not super fruity. So I like that.
Yeah, it's like a light, it says honey, sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract, but it has like a hint of pineapple smell to me.
So let me get this right here. There y'all go. Fellas, if you're growing your hair out, man, it's good to take care of it. I wouldn't know what to do with my hair if it wouldn't have been from this young lady right here. So thankful for her, because I've always had a low haircut all my life. So I was just trying something different, and I like it.
How's the mask feel?
Play my hair a little bit. How's it feel? It feels...
It's only my 3rd day out here.
It feels slippery. Yes, I like it. Feels gooey, but yeah. Right, so here we go, y'all. Just put it in like that.
I have low porosity. That means my hair stays wet forever. However, my babe here has high porosity, so his hair will dry really fast.
Real fast.
And you want to leave your deep conditioners, your leave-ins, all of that with your hair soaking wet. So that's why I'm rushing those.
You know what I'm saying? All right, just putting that in there like that. Do I have enough in the back? We good?
You can get a little bit more in the back, but not a whole lot.
We'll use a little technique.
That's
good enough?
Yeah, that's good. Alright, now head to the side. And I do have a sports bra on still, just in case y'all were wondering if I was naked under here. I'm going to unravel my hair right there. I'm just gonna put this mask in. My hair does feel slippery. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but it definitely feels moisturized. And now I'm just gonna twist it back up like so. Oh.
And y'all, while she doing that conditioner, the rinse out conditioner is really good. It took a while for it to rinse out, so I imagine that's a good sign.
You can come in the camera, baby.
Okay. I imagine that's a good sign because I was washing my hair and just constantly, you know, suds and everything.
Rinsing.
Yeah, rinsing. Yeah, not washing, but rinsing my hair. And it was like a whole bunch of suds still in the sink, like after like a minute. So I'm assuming that's a good sign. So thumbs up to that. Oh.
Okay.
That wasn't hard.
So we got 10 plus 5, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
And we'll be right back.
Alright, so we just washed our hair out and we're about to put in this daily moisturizing cream. I don't think we showed this earlier, so we're about to show it to you right now. So there it is right there. Let me get that thing to focus. How the girls do, they do it like that. Boom, boom, boom. It smells good. It's a subtle smell. It's not super strong. There you are right there. Feels moisturizing. We're gonna put it in the hair and see.
Again, you want your hair to be soaking wet.
Okay.
All right, there you go.
Need it there, man.
I don't.
Got water running down my face. All right, I'm just using a little thin film right there. See that? Let's see, we're gonna put that on there like that. Oh, a little bit goes a long way once it gets wet. So that went a lot further than I thought it would. Now I could probably use a little bit more, but after I work this in there, this might be good enough, honestly.
I'm gonna get a little bit more just because I have more hair than him. It does feel creamy, feels a little buttery. I need a little bit more water in my hair.
Alright, let me spray you.
Okay. We just finished putting in the leave-in, so now we're gonna do the, now we're gonna put in the twist butter. And it says on here that this is a unique hydrating butter gel formula that provides a crunch-free, flake-free hold that lasts for days.
Okay.
So this is a new age gel.
Alright, butter.
Alright.
Gel butter.
This one smells slightly different than the shampoo and
but
the conditioner.
it still smells similar, but it has like a few different ingredients in it. So, all right, it feels good. It feels like a mixture of a gel and a butter, which that's what they say it is. It feels good. It doesn't feel like it's drying my hair out.
It feels like if mayonnaise was mixed with glue.
Let's see.
That's how it felt like to me, like
But it feels like it's kind of trying to hold it in place, right?
Yeah, that's why I said it's like thick and creamy like a mayonnaise, but it feel like you can feel some tackiness to it.
Yeah.
That's the vibe I'm getting.
Still have a little film left on my hands, so it's good stuff. Each of these products, they seem like they go a long way. I know I don't have as much hair as majority of the ladies, but fellas, like if you purchase this, if your lady purchased it and she allows you to use it, because the show don't use it without her permission, get in trouble. But it goes a long way, so you won't have to be worried about running out of product fast. So
I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my hair off camera because it's gonna take entirely way too long to film. But I'm just, as you can see, I'm just going in sections. So working my way up and then I'll do this side and come back. This is what my hair looked like after I applied all of the butter gel onto my hair. But I will show you once my hair fully dries.
And this is how my hair looked after I applied the butter gel.
A little bit goes a long way. With both of us using this jar, we still had plenty of product still left over.
Okay, not bad. Not bad. This with nothing on it. How's yours feel?
Mine's still wet, so I'm gonna have to dry it a little bit.
It really is.
Low porosity, but it's okay because I have to stretch it anyway. Make sure you cover your ends when you blow dry your hair for stretching. Right now I'm showing you my stretched hair versus my still wet hair. So you can see half of my hair is done, and now I'm going to stretch and blow dry the other half.
My hair feels very moisturized, especially after not putting any additional product on it last night, sleeping on it. Feels good.
Look at these results. So this is how our hair turned out.
Looks good.
We like to oil our scalp, and this line did not have a oil to purchase. So that would be probably a con, would you say, babe?
I mean, I guess you could say that's a con, but that's not their fault. I mean, maybe it's coming soon. Who knows?
Well, hopefully it's coming soon, because we do need an oil. So
everything works very well together.
Yeah.
I can't say that though.
So we will be using, what is this? The ORS hair repair. It's the coconut oil and
Baobab.
Baobab oil. So we will be putting this on our scalp. And I guess another thing is they didn't have like an oil
like a sheen or something like that.
So we will be using the OGX oil sheen on our hair.
Yeah.
Just to give it an extra sheen. Even though it doesn't look really dry.
I thought my hair was gonna be super dry this morning because it absorbs everything so easily.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it looks pretty good. That's with nothing else, being placed on it. So
yeah.
Very impressed.
So what are your final thoughts, babe?
Love the products. I'm not a hair product expert, but everything, went in, washed out very well, and left my hair feeling great the next day without any extra stuff, being placed in it besides the moisturizer. So
yeah,
thumbs up for me.
It's a thumbs up for me too. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
And go ahead and click on that like button for us.
Please, helps us out so much.
Yes, and let us know if there's any other products for natural hair that you would like to see us try out on our hair.
That's right. And thanks so much for watching, guys. And until next time.
Peace.